Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can beat this boss, the Zhang Lang, and we are the minus 3. So basically what you need to use is your special abilities, basically the buttons that shows on your screen. See, like this. This will be pretty easy, so don't worry about this one. This boss is pretty easy to do. Make sure that you're using your and as you can see, this is victory. So this was not hard at all. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and also help me out and comment down below for the algorithm. So basically that's it. If this video was helpful, as I said, subscribe it and have a nice day. See you in the next one.